When I look back at the software we created with our team and partners, I see logistics solutions that are at the forefront of the industry. We've moved beyond mere efficiency. Technology is reshaping how the logistics industry operates, and customized software is no longer an advantage. It is a must to succeed. The Warehouse Management System, or WMS, is at the heart of logistics operations. Let's follow an order's journey and look at what such a system actually does. It starts when a customer places an order on your website. The WMS immediately receives order details such as product information, quantities, and customer address. Then, the system checks your stock in real time, reserves items, and updates your inventory. No more overselling or disappointed customers. Next, the WMS plans the best routes for warehouse staff. This is not only about saving steps, but also about saving time and money. Pickers use barcode scanners to confirm if they have selected the right product, and the system helps consolidate all items from the same order. The WMS also gives specific instructions for packing. Products are packed securely, based on their size and how fragile they are. The system also generates shipping labels, eliminating errors in addressing. When it's time to ship, the WMS communicates with the shipping company's software. It also tracks the package all the way to the customer's door. And if there's a return, no problem. The WMS handles that too. It generates return labels and updates inventory upon receiving the returned product. The warehouse management system doesn't just manage your warehouse. It helps you grow and stay competitive. Whether you're an e-commerce startup or a large-scale retail business, there is always potential for improvement. If any of those use cases spiked your interest, and it seems that a custom warehouse management system could bring order and predictability to your e-commerce operations, don't hesitate to contact us.